my least favorite fidgets. These are 5 of my least favorite fidgets. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, so let's start with number 5. My number 5 least favorite fidget is mochis. I don't really like these because first, they get really dirty, and I don't like how I need to be washing them frequently. Once I wash them, they get easier to get dust on. If a speckle of dust gets on it, it gets on it everywhere. Like this cloud one I have here, it's extremely dirty. And I also have an elephant one here, also extremely dirty. So, yeah, I give that 5. I still really like mochis, but they're not one of my favorites. They're cute and all, but they're just not some of my favorites. Okay, now let's move on to number 4. So next is snapper. I believe that's what they call. Snappers. I don't really like these because I don't really use this fidget. It's not like my type of fidget. I don't really like these fidgets. I like more like pop-its or like things to cook, stuff like that. So I don't really like it because I don't really use it. You like this one? Yeah, this is a fidget, but this was really expensive. This thing was $8. I don't know how much it usually cost, but I got this in Vegas and it was $8. So yeah.
No, you didn't.
It was $8.
You didn't got it in Vegas.
Yes, I did. This was $8.
Where did you got it from?
When I got my first blue pocket.
Oh,
So yeah, that is number 4 on the list of fidgets I don't like. So number 3. Number 3 is marble meshes. I don't like marble meshes. Really, I don't really like them because they're not really entertaining. I don't really like them. Give me a second. I don't really like them for many reasons, and I just don't like them in general. I don't really like to use them. They're not fun. I don't like them, so they're not as fun. So, yeah. This is number 2 on my list. No, 3 on my list. Next on my list is monkey noodles. At first, this was my dream fidget. Now, I don't really like them because same problem as mochis. They do get really dusty, and I don't really like them. They are really fun to use, but I just don't really like them. So this used to be my dream fidget. Now it's not. So yeah, I give these a 2 on my list of 5. Next is my least favorite. Now is number 1. These thingies. I have no idea what these things are used for, and I don't know what they're used for. I know, but I don't really like them. Why are they considered a fidget? I don't know. I don't like these things because I just put them on your finger and do this. I don't get the point. I had 6 of these and somehow I ended up with 2. So yeah, I don't really care about these. Like, I care about my poppets. I care about my poppets. Like, I count my poppets every time I take them out. I have 13 in total. And so yeah, I give this a number 1 on my list. I do not like these at all. They're really bad. I don't like them. I don't know what they're used for. They're not my type of fidget that I like. And yeah. Okay, well, looks like that was the end of the video. Stay tuned for another video because I'm going to be doing rating my favorite fidgets. I'm going to be doing 5 of my favorite fidgets. So, Junior, come over here. It's outro. We'll be back when Junior comes back. Okay, so this is the end of the video. So, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, turn on all post notifications, and follow my TikTok accounts. I have 2 at Lila_daily and at xd_edits14. So I have a second account. Lots of people don't know that's me, but that's me. So don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on all post notifications, comment down below, follow my 2 TikTok accounts, watch another video,